Welcome to Best Pick. Top 10 Best Power Strip with USB Charging Ports, Surge Protector in 2020. Top 1. Belkin 12-outlet USB Power Strip Surge Protector, Flat Plug, 6 feet cord, ideal for computers, home theater, appliances, office equipment, 3,996 joules, white, 6. 12-outlet Surge Protector Power Strip with Flat Plug, 6 feet / 1.8 meter cord. 2 USB ports, 2.1A combined, for charging smartphones, tablets, and more, safeguards computers, appliances, home theater and office equipment from potentially damaging power surges. Backed by lifetime warranty and protected by $250,000 connected equipment warranty. Specs: 3996 joule energy rating / 6000 volts maximum spike voltage / AC 15A, 125V, 1875W. Safe usage, correct operation is important. See product description section below for useful safety information. Top 2. Power Strip, Bototek Surge Protector with 10 AC outlets and 4 USB charging ports, 1875W/15A, 2100 joules, 6 feet long extension cord for smartphone, tablets, home, office, hotel. Black. Overload protection, Surge Protector with overload protection protects against spikes and fluctuations. Intelligent circuitry with built-in voltage sensing detects and responds to your device's power needs, while safety features ensure that your devices are protected. Heavy-duty cord, 3 2.08mm squared extra long heavy-duty cord with accredited by FCC, RoHS. Use fire resistance PC shell, 100% great heat dissipation copper wire, over 10,000 times pull and plug, special phosphor copper conductor for socket. Multi-outlet strip, 13A grounded 3-pin outlets with flat plug, multi 5V/2.4A, total 3.4A/18W, USB ports used as USB wall charger, 2 special design widely spacing AC outlets, 2 inches, for large adapters with 8 standard spacing outlets, fast and efficient charging. Quality guarantee, ETL listed and FCC certificated. Top 3. USB wall charger, Surge Protector, POWRUI 6-outlet extender with 2 USB charging ports, 2.4A total, at night light, 3-sided power strip with adapter spaced outlets, white, ETL listed. Multi-function USB wall outlet, 2 USB fast charging ports, 3-sided power strip, with 6 adapter spaced outlets, and LED night light around the edges. Taking the place of a standard socket, but instead offering you many more plugs. Can be used in any room or public areas indoor. Save space with unique 3D design. Wide space, 6 AC outlets built in 1680 joules Surge Protector with 2.1 inches long space in between, larger than standard 1.5-inch socket. Top 4. Anker PowerPort Cube USB Power Strip with 3 outlets and 3 USB ports, portable design, 5 feet extension cord, overload protection for iPhone XS/XR, compact for travel, cruise ship and office. One for all, 3 AC outlets and 3 USB ports power everything on your desk from a single compact hub, 18W max output from the USB ports and 1250W from the AC outlets. High-speed charging, deliver an optimized charge to USB devices with Anker's world-renowned PowerIQ technology. Compact and portable, less than 2.5 cubic inches, for maximum space saving at home or in your travel bag. Superior safety, overload protect. Top 5. SUPERDANNY USB Surge Protector Power Strip Mountable Extension Cord Multiple Protection 5-outlet 3 USB port with hook and loop fastener for iPhone, iPad, PC, home, office, travel. Black. Smart USB ports. This USB power strip has 5 AC outlets, 3 smart USB ports, 2.4A port, max, 5V/2.4A in total. The USB charging ports with Smart IC can auto-adjust charging rate for iPhone, iPad, laptop, digital cameras, and more electronic devices. One-piece copper sheet and multiple protection. The 5-outlet power strip is one-piece copper strip technology made with multiple protection, surge protection, 900J/overload top 6. Power strip tower jackled surge protector electric charging station 3000W 13A 10 outlets for USB ports with 16 Aruban floor and 6.5 feet heavy-duty extension cord for home office. Energy saving. Each layer has an independent switch which helps you to save electricity when the other outlets are not in use. Due to different voltages in different areas, this surge protector power strip tower is designed to support 110V 240V. If it is used under 125V, the max power will be 125V x 13 Aries equals 1625W. If under 240V, the max power can reach 3000W. Please do not exceed the total wattage. Formula P Top 7. High-trend surge protector power strip 6 outlets with 6 USB charging ports, USB extension cord, 1625W/13A multi-plug for multiple devices smartphone tablet laptop computer, 6 feet, white. 12-in-1, 6 USB charging ports and 6 outlet sockets in one power strip which allow you charge 12 devices at the same time, suitable for most phones, tablets and other appliances. Surge protector. Advanced built-in surge protector module can prevent the damage of your devices from the power surges, thunder and lightning. Smart and fast. The USB ports, 5V/2.4A each, will detect your devices automatically and quick charge speed up to 2.4A. Multiple protection. All charging ports of the electric strip comes with high current, overload and short circuit protection for 100% safe charging. Quality guaranteed. Guaranteed. Top 8. Cable Matters 2-pack 6-outlet surge protector power strip with USB charging ports, 300 joules with 8-foot power cord in black. 6-outlet power strip surge protector provides a centralized power and USB charging station for protecting up to 8 devices including 2 USB devices such as a smartphone or tablet. Cost-effective 2-pack power strips with surge protection convert any standard grounded AC outlet into multi-plug outlet. Clean up counter clutter and never forget where you left your phone with one centralized location for charging with this power out. Top 9. Power strip surge protector, Anker 12 outlets and 3 USB ports with flat plug, power port strip with 6 feet extension cord, Power IQ for iPhone XS XS Max XRX, Galaxy, for home, office, and more, 4000 joules. Power for all, 12 AC outlets and 3 USB ports with a 6 feet cable power an entire workstation or home entertainment center. Input, AC 1875W, surge protection, total protection for your connected devices and appliances. The 12-8 Top 10. Anker power strip with USB for home office, 3 outlet and 3 Power IQ USB power strip surge protector, power port strip 3 with 5-foot long extension cord, flat plug, safety shutter, 300J. Big expansion, the power strips 3 AC outlets and 3 USB charging ports, 18W total max output, provide power and charging for up to 6 devices from a single wall outlet. Power IQ, delivers an optimized charge to USB devices using Anker's world-renowned charging technology. Superior safety, and check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.